Hello everyone, welcome to our garden. Today we are going to clean our garden, but first I'm going to show you the plants in our garden. Here there's so the first plant here is lemon. So here it is kind of small, but look, a lot of fruit. So in the future it's going to be big and delicious and yummy. Here it is very small. Small is a flower. So our next plant is cassava. So here there's a big fruit crop. Here look, it's so big here. It's so big and giant. Can you believe it, guys? I wonder how big it is. Cassava too. It's so big now and so old. Since I was 11 years old. For the next plant is guava. It's kind of small, but look, it has already a fruit. Here it's kind of small, but in the future it will be big, or in 2 months. Look, there's a flower too. Am I right? So comment down below if this is a flower or a fruit. So we put the fence to protect our plant because there are many dogs in our place to protect the plant. So for our next plant is the sweet potato. Look, they're kind of small because we just planted yesterday. So we can use the leaves to cook with chicken soup or fish soup because it's good for our own health. It will make our body strong. So in the future, it will have root crop. It's kind of big. We can also eat root crop. Look guys, this is the grown up sweet potato because we can harvest it anytime we want. Here. For our next plant, it's moringa. In Philippines it's called malunggay. So we can use the leaves of the plant to put it in a soup and to eat it because I tasted already and it's delicious. You can put moringa with fish, moringa with chicken. So guys, next to our garden is our school of my parents, where my parents teach. So guys, this is oregano, in the Philippines called calabo. My mother planted this because we believe that it can treat cough. Because long time ago, I used to have cough, so I drink it and then it makes me feel better. So guys, my mother doesn't know the name. So my mother planted this because my mother believed, next plant, my mother believed that give more oxygen so we can breathe more oxygen. And so our next plant is aloe vera. Here it will help to treat your hair vanishing or it will make your skin soft. So the next plant is periwinkle. So it has pink, white and mixed colors. It can treat many diseases. So this is onion. You can put this in the food. So these are ornamental plants. It has different kind of colors. It has green, this one is mixed colors, pink and green. So the last is soursop, in Philippines called guabano. So many people believe that it can treat cancer, but for me I don't know because I'm too young, so I need to study more. So this is serpentina. This one will treat to lower your sugar in the blood or diabetes. This is all for the garden, so next time we're gonna plant more.